गुरु गुरु गुण लिखा न जाए. But Guru here means the enlightened one, the actualized. And you say Guru, we don't mean Acharyas. We mean
Namaste,
the
Guruji.
actualized.
Swamiji,
Siddha.
namaste. Happy Guru Purnami.
Who's this, Santoshi?
No, my wife.
No, Swamiji.
Oh,
This is Sindhu.
okay.
Sindhu.
Okay, Sindhu.
Sorry to
Sindhu and Sharanam.
Yeah, Sharan is
Sridhar
sleep.
Sindhu. Sharanam Sindhu Sridharam. Pranamam. Ashirvadam.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Okay.
Where is Sharanam?
Sharan is sleeping. He is sleeping.
Okay. Let him sleep.
Yeah, because morning he asked you, I sent a wishes. He conveyed wishes to you.
Yes, I mean, I was busy that time when you made a video call, but I responded.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I've seen that.
Ashirvadam. Okay. Then today I'm before time.
Yeah, I have seen that.
I sat down on the asana at 7:15.
Okay.
Then I meditated. I did the Avan of Mata Saraswati.
Okay.
Om Shri Ma Saraswati Avanaya Namah.
Okay.
So मैं कुछ नहीं जानता हूँ. I know nothing. It's all has to usher from the divine knowledge.
Okay.
I do not see any books. I do not see any papers. I have no papers. Okay. A good work you did last Sunday by distributing sanitizers.
Yeah, we did 1,000 masks and 1,000 sanitizers.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Swamiji.
May God capacitate to distribute millions.
Yeah.
Okay. We will establish a center in Hyderabad.
Sure.
Maybe next year.
Yeah, sure, Swamiji.
And then we will we'll establish not only a center, we'll also establish a center for the Kayakalpa University.
Yeah, that will be great, Swamiji.
Earlier I was thinking at Bangalore only, but now I thought, South requires two. One Bangalore and one Hyderabad.
Yeah, that will be good, Swamiji.
So we have five states, and then we have to probably touch Sri Lanka also later.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, then we can have a center in Colombo later.
Yeah, that's good, Swamiji.
Okay, then all the divine souls. Today is a very auspicious day of Guru Purnima.
Yeah, Swamiji.
I was initiated as sannyasi on Guru Purnima on 28th of July.
Okay.
In 2004.
Okay, Swamiji.
And so Swamiji's spiritual birthday is on Guru Purnima.
Yeah, that's good. Happy birthday.
I mean, days and dates do change. Okay.
Yeah, Swamiji.
But it is there. So I'm very blessed by my Guru, my enlightened Guru, Hari Babaji and his lineage.
Yeah, Swamiji.
Avatar Babaji, Mahavatar Babaji.
Okay.
And of course later Lord Shiva.
Yeah.
Today all divine souls are there. We can talk. We have any other panelists to talk?
No, Swamiji, you are the only panelist today, I think. Santoshi ma'am can talk for some more time. She's
okay. I know these subjects are difficult to handle.
Yeah.
we don't have experts on these.
Yeah, last time when you were a bit late, I asked Mohini madam to give it. She was unable.
Okay. Then and so how many souls are connected? So we have a little larger.
Yeah, we just I can see just only five Swamiji so far. We'll wait for a couple
Shall we wait for some time?
Yeah, we can wait for 2 minutes. We can wait for 2 minutes, not more than that.
Okay, well, we can do some shop talking for 5 minutes.
Okay, sure.
Okay, so how was today? I was very busy because people come to pay homage to Babaji. Even in Corona time, I told them don't come, but people still come. Okay.
Yeah.
I just about 1 hour later, I said, everybody please go.
Okay.
Now, because I have to attend a meeting, 2-3 hours, either you can sit down here and listen. Some are sitting. Or I said, can go because I don't want you to unnecessarily make expenses which are not necessary. Okay. I mean, you want to celebrate, spend little and spend more for the humanity, people who need more. I don't need so much.
Right,
If you
Swami.
want to contribute, you have to become crorepati, like I said. You want
Yeah,
to contribute to Manavstal, become rich first. Okay. I
right.
mean, otherwise you will be stuck with the, oh, Baba ji ko maine 1100 रुपए दे दिया, 11,000 रुपए दे दिया, बहुत बड़ा काम कर दिया. Okay. I said if you can donate more than 1 lakh, then you come here. Okay. Otherwise, keep it yourself.
Yeah, Swamiji.
Look after your necessities first. Okay.
Okay.
Become richer in every
Yeah.
way. And then we will also we are raising a project in Uttarkashi in Barkot.
Okay.
We have got the Panchayat has given us some land, about 10-acre land.
Okay.
So we are putting up a center there, which is going to be production center. We are going to
Okay.
make herbal is going to be herbal unit
Okay.
where people collect the herbs, local fruits, local
Yeah.
vegetables,
Hmm.
process it, pack it. We are going to make a packing unit.
Okay.
Otherwise, they perish. Okay, and then we
Yeah.
will supply to the multinational, maybe
Okay.
online, Amazon or Flipkart online.
Yeah.
Along with them, of course, we want to have a small school there, public school.
Okay.
We're not getting teachers. Nobody wants to go to the village. It's
Yeah.
a tehsil. No public school teachers wants to go there. We want to establish a small hospital there, but no doctors are ready to go there. So we are
Yeah.
raising paramedic and nursing staff to go there.
Right.
Doctors are, even MBBS doctor is not ready to go.
Oh my. Yeah.
But some volunteers will come in due course of time. So
Right.
we want to establish a temple there, a yoga shala, a stadium, sports center, and a center for children. Okay, children growth, disabled children,
Yeah.
and then bhojanalaya, free kitchen for the needy. Not everybody.
Yeah.
People
For
who
the
are poor,
needy.
they can have free food there, 24-hour
Right.
kitchen. So I was working to develop a team there because I can't spend so much of time. So I called some people, men and women volunteers.
Yeah,
So,
Swami.
and we'll have subsidies from the government, and of course, and Manavstar will also do some seed money to start the center. Then it must become a self-generating center.
Yeah.
I don't want them to live on doles. They must generate their wealth to sustain it and progress.
Yeah, Swamiji.
It will be one of the, because it's going to be trust, so there are going to be no taxes. As an agriculture, we don't have taxes anyway.
Right.
We want to establish a small, maybe 100 cows farm, and maybe a fish farm there, and maybe beehive farm there. So I was
Okay.
working on those details. Some people have come forward.
Okay.
I said, okay, we'll start. No issue. Okay.
Yeah, Swamiji, go ahead. People will be start joining after some time, but we can continue.
Okay, we'll continue.
Yeah.
Okay, then who's Santoshi is online? I'm sure Santoshi should be online.
Yeah, Santoshi madam is online.
Okay. Namaskaram, Santoshi. She's a wonderful soul.
Yeah.
Okay. And so whoever is online, just tell us your presence by chat. Okay. Just give us
Yeah,
the
sure,
message.
Swamiji. Sure. I'll inform the same.
I know that who's online. Okay. Om Astoma Sadgame Tamsoma Jyotirgamhe Amritam Ma Mrityogamhe Om Shanti 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 Om Om Ma Saraswati Avahanaya Namah Kripaya Namah. Good evening. Hello, hi. I don't know why. Namaskar, namaskaram, vanakam, adab to all divine souls.
In progress.
And also, may I welcome and bless them on behalf of all the Siddhas, all the Rishi Muni, Tapasvi, Sadhu, Sant, Mahatam on this auspicious day. You know, I cannot see the moon today because it's raining here in Dehradun, and also it's cloudy. But you will probably, I don't know, some areas definitely can see the moon, so wherever you are. And if you see the moon, today moon is very close to you. You can do the moon sadhana. Look at the moon tatak for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. If you do this regularly, your eyes will never go bad. You will never have spectacles. And you will have an aura. You will have glowing face and skin. Very healthy body, like Chandradev. And actually yesterday night or today morning, I was meditating. I meditate. Swamiji meditates till 6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Then I take a yoga nidra for 2 hours.
Okay.
Then I'm fresh as a fiddle. So on first meet, that was on 3rd July, today is the 4th one, I think. First, let me thank Shridhar and all the doctors, all the medical, paramedical staff, supporting staff, Ayush staff, yogic staff, volunteers, engineers like Shridhar, his family, Sindhu, Charanam, everybody who's contributing and constantly contributing to make this world disease free, to fight this pandemic. You can't make the world disease free, but you can make yourself disease free. You can develop the immunity of the highest level. So on 3rd of July, we touched on 3 main issues. I'm just connecting it because many of you may not have seen the videos, and our memory is short, we forget. My memory is good. I remember. So we touched on three issues. One is ahara. You have to have a organic, natural yogic food. Why we are having this meet today or from last 4 weeks is to give you Kaya Kalpa. First is Kaya Kalpa. Kaya Kalpa means longer life, longer youth, leading to yoga and samadhi and actualization, realization. So, and second aspect we touched was vichara. See, one of the important aspects of Kaya Kalpa is also vichara. जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, जैसा मन वैसा तन, और जैसा तन वैसा जन. Jan means the life. So, to nourish the body, you need to have balanced diet. I always say, I teach death. I don't teach art of living. Swamiji teaches art of dying. If you learn the art of dying, then art of living is automatic. Otherwise, in art of living, we are always threatened with death. So, right kind of vichara, if you have good sankalpa, positive thoughts, right karmas is half the battle won. जो भी आप करना चाहेंगे, यदि आपके विचार शुद्ध हैं, संकल्प मजबूत होता है, तो आप जीतेंगे, आप हारेंगे नहीं. You can win. You will win. And third aspect which touched was Vyavara. your conduct in life must be the learned conduct. Learned conduct. It must be full of dharma, satya, nyaya, ethics, values, morality, integrity, character, rashtra bhakti, nature living, love for life, love for yourself. Because the most important part of life is that most important is, what is most important? You all know it. Most important is you and the prana inside you. Rest comes later. If you are there, your prana is there, everything is there around you. Prana is not there, then you are not there and nothing is there. Then you're just a body waiting to be cremated. So vichara has to be of the highest order. Today we will also talk in the last part of my session. I will talk about banda, three bandas. Just remind me, Shirda, in case I miss it.
Yeah, sure, Swamiji. I'll remind you.
Three bandas. Okay. Then second, on 10th, we learned the art of breathing. I hope you all are started doing deep breathing, reducing your breath from 20, 25, 30 to 10, 15. Because if you just can do this, you will increase your body age by 20, 30 years and your youth also by 20, 30 years. And you will start reverting. Part आंशिक कायाकल्प होना शुरू हो जाएगा. You will reverse your age by 5, 10 years, something like that, depending on your input. Then we also learn the science of Yoga Nidra. Because nowadays we can't sleep. Too much of electronics, too much of bad energies, too much of conflicts, too much of desires. चाह गई चिंता मिटी, चाह गई चिंता मिटी, मनवा बेपरवाह. जिसको कछु की चाह नहीं, वो शाहों के शाह. The culprit is the desire. The more you have it, the more you want it. Except your wife and husband, I'm sure. You don't want too much of your wife and too much of your husband. So desire has to be, you should be able to command your desires. मन पे अधिकार होना चाहिए. लेकिन मन पे अधिकार होना बहुत कठिन है. It's very difficult. Thank you, Kusuma, Kumar Reddy ji, welcome. मन पे अधिकार रखना बहुत कठिन है. इसलिए we came on the next third session, we stepped into the higher level of Ashtanga Yoga. Mudra Shastra. If you do Mudra Shastra, the book which is uploaded on our website, on your website, manavsthal.org, just by mudras you can cure your daily ailments. You can do partial kayakalpa, reduce your body age by 5, 10 years, live longer by 10, 20 years, and remain healthy, happy, and glowing. Just mudra. You can download that book, or Sridhar must have forwarded to you all, or will he do that?
Yeah, I have the download copy. I'll forward today.
Please forward. They're very helpful.
Yeah.
And those mudras are Baba's hand. It is not imported. It is short before, behind my asan. I kept hand like this. It was short. Okay. And also we touched on Yam Niyam, Asan Pranayam, Pratihar Dharna, Dhyana Samadhi, and Moksham. Babaji is blessed from the Siddhas, because I belong to the lineage of Siddhas. You see, in South India, We have Vidyas. Vidyas mean the learned one. Scriptures, Vedas, Shastras, mantras, yantras, they are learned ones. But in Himalayas, we have Siddhas. Those who meditate, who do tapasya. And what are Siddhas? Who can reverse the law of nature are Siddhas. I mean, reversing the law of nature is Siddhas. Okay, in nutshell, we'll talk more in detail later. Okay, so Siddhas, they can reverse the laws of nature. And we talked about this in last meeting also. You throw the ball, law of gravitation, it will come down. But maybe Siddharth throws the ball, it will not come down. Okay, so simple. So we talked about yam, niyam. Yam is morality. Niyam, do it regularly. Whatever you're doing it, we do everything. You know, we do our brushing every day. We go to the toilet every day. We take bath every day. We eat every day many times. We love our family. May not every day, but sometimes more regularly. We eat. We do everything regularly. So yoga has to be done regularly. You must celebrate yoga. Yoga is not going to gym. It's not punishing your body. Today, of course, in Olympics, thanks God, we got one silver from the woman weightlifter, Shanuji from Manipur. We must celebrate. Well done. Keep it up. I hope India wins a medal every day. We should come back with 15 medals, 5 golds, 5 silvers, or 5 bronze. Am I asking too much? Mayanka, Manjula, am I asking too much? Our women are making us proud. Last Olympics, only 2 medals came. Sindhu and Malik, both women. So, Indian women are progressing. That is Shakti. At present, we are fighting with our poverty. If India was a developed country, we would have sent a delegation of 1,000 people and got at least 50 golds, or maybe 100 golds out of 400 odd. It will happen in the next 20 years. So coming back to yam, niyam, asana, you must do the body. Body needs exercise. And yogic exercise is a balanced exercise. Put on some music, morning, evening, empty stomach, do. Except Vajrasana. Vajrasana you can do anything. Actually, if you eat in Vajrasana, like Chinese and Japanese do, your youth and body age increases. Your energy level, productivity increases. We touched on, if you can sleep on the Mother Earth with your head on the south, you will never have a heart problem. You will never have blood pressure problem. You can wear Rudraksh, Panchmukhi Rudraksh. You will not have these ailments. Look in the east when you are studying or working, and sleep on the south. Look in the east or look in the north also, it's okay. Food, you must avoid normal salt, take rock salt, no red chilies, powder chilies, no normal sugar, have, bura, khan, shahad, good. Do not have mirchi with seeds, have seedless mirchi if you have to. Avoid khatta. Take alkaline food. You all are educated people. You can Google and see what alkaline food is. Take seasonal fruits, seasonal vegetables. Avoid packed food. Avoid fridge food. रात को दही नहीं खाना है, बरसात में सब्जी नहीं खाना है. राजमा, सफेद चना, काली उड़द की दाल, ये रात को नहीं खाना, हैवी खाना नहीं खाना. Avoid tea and coffee. I know South is very difficult, but avoid. Have lesser tea and coffee. Have lesser coffee. 1 or 2 cups are beneficial, more than harmful. Have green tea, have kada. Basics. Don't take non-veg, very harmful. Don't take alcohol, drugs in any form. And people who are doing it, motivate them, educate them. Bring them to Zoom meeting. Will help them to get out of these weaknesses. Do not have multiple relationships. I know I'm asking too much, but that's how I am. Do not have sex more than once a month. I'm asking too much. Okay. I mean, because the body needs 21 days to replenish the loss of energy in one coitus, one sex. And God has given us only 4,000 times you can have sex in your whole life. If you have 4,000 times, you will die at the age of 60. Okay. If you have once a month, you will go beyond 100 years in youth. And if you're brahmachari like me, don't have sex, because I do not have sexual energy. My energy level is above the navel. Is dead below. Then you can live 150 years to 500 years. But every ejaculation of a man, woman also has a loss, but not so much. But man's loss is comparable to about half a liter of blood. That's why you feel very weak after your sexual discharge. Actually, some animals, some insects, they die. One coitus, they die. The male species, they die. So, maintain brahmacharya. Woman does not need so much of sex. Man needs. It's a man's problem. But that will help you in Kaya Kalpa. That is why in ascetic life, साधुओं के लिए ब्रह्मचर्य अनिवार्य है. इसलिए जो संन्यास दिया जाता है 12 साल के तप के बाद दिया जाता है. 12 साल के बाद ही सिद्धता आती है. 12 साल के बाद ही बुद्ध होता है. भगवान बुद्ध ने भी 12 साल के बाद ही उनको बुद्धत्व प्राप्त हुआ. यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम. प्राणायाम करना है. The more deeper breathing you do, the younger, the longer life you have. And your productivity will increase from 25%, which we normally have only 25%, to 50%. And if you do the deep breathing with pranayam, it can raise to 75 to 90%, maybe 100% also. Your IQ level will increase. In today's world, people have very poor IQ. यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम. प्रत्याहार, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. Pratyahar means leave away which is ill, which is bad. And we all know what is bad. Dharana, absorb what is good. Dhyana, samadhi. If you do this, you will have dhyana. Dhyana means thoughtless state of mind, which is very difficult, yet it's very easy. And when you reach the stage of thoughtless stage, then only you can control your mind. Mind dies when you are in dhyan. When you're thoughtless stage of mind, your mind is dead. Then you are not driven by desires. And then the door of samadhi, the Shastahar, thymus. This opens. And you're connected like an inverted pyramid to the Brahma. And then that time, Siddhiya comes into play. You are blessed with many divine powers. You can leave your body at will, Ichha Mrityu. Or Parkaya Parvesh, you can enter anybody else's body. So we touched on these areas on our last session. And we also touched how to make money. I gave you knowledge. If you do that for Lakshmi, Mata Lakshmi initiation, then you will be never short of funds. I hope many of you have done. If you have not done it, please do it again. And because I will not repeat because already there in the recording. And Shridhar is also recording now, so we will not waste time on already said.
Yeah, I'm all recording.
Now today, any questions? Anybody has got any questions? Any doubts so far?
No, Swami.
What we have covered in last 3 sessions, and we proceed further.
Yeah, please proceed.
You can give us a chat, or you can. Do we have our Binu ji or Mohini ji or Kundan
No.
Balashi ji?
No, Swamiji, they are not in today.
They are not in. Okay.
Yeah.
My blessings and my love to all of them.
Okay, Swamiji, I'll inform them.
Please tell them they must try to be part of us in such meetings, because this knowledge you will not get it.
Yeah.
Everything else you will get it. This knowledge very few souls have got on the Mother Earth. So you will not get it. And even if you get it, it's going to cost you a lot of money, a lot of travel,
Yes, Swamiji.
lot of effort. Okay, not so easy. Sitting in your bedroom, you can get this. Okay. All right. So we'll proceed further. What is time? 8. Kaya Kalpa. Nobody wants to die. And Babaji teaches the art of dying. And what is the art of dying? To be desireless, to be detached. वैराग्य. सब कुछ है, लेकिन कुछ भी आपका नहीं है. Nothing belongs to you. And whatever you see, everything is going to perish, including yourself, including myself. What is not going to perish is Panchatattva. Prithvi, Jal, Vayu, Agni, Akash. They will remain. They are there from last 200 crore years. This cosmos, ageless, is there. Sun, moon, all planets would be there. लेकिन आप नहीं होंगे और हम नहीं होंगे. Because we are all perishable. Unless you reach a stage of samadhi, Brahma Samadhi, then you will be a enlightened soul. You carry all the knowledge with you. You don't die. You change body. And if you don't want a body, you can live without body on the Mother Earth. There are millions of souls who are living on the Mother Earth without body. Or you can inherit a body from womb to a grown-up person. Or you can live in Siddha's place, or live in any planets on the lotus feet of God. We call it Swarga. Okay. So that is the power of yoga. Yoga is correcting. Yoga is not asanas, like we said last time. Yoga is connecting your body and mind and soul to divine. Body is a vehicle, so you have to keep it healthy. You must have good thoughts, good life, and good karma. Because this is what you're going to carry. Why do we donate? Because donation is a part of good karma. Because you are fortunate, you have God has given you the ability to donate. Most of us, we do not have the ability or resources. The people who have the ability and resources, they do not have the knowledge. They don't have the will, or they don't have the skill, or they're not blessed. They're too attached with the human needs. And the purpose of life is, we touched on this in last session, the purpose of life for every human being is to be enlightened, to actualize, to become Buddha. Every woman, every man. And since lack of knowledge, we do not do it, we take an unconscious death and unconscious birth of the soul. Because soul is energy, and soul does not die. It just changes forms. Last time I also demonstrated with the 3-stage pranayam. Shital pranayam, slow pranayam, medium pranayam, and fast pranayam. With the Nadi Shodhan, cleaning of your breathing. We have 3 breathings. Chandra Nadi, Sushumna Nadi. This is Chandra Nadi, this is Surya Nadi, and in between is Sushumna. That is connected with thymus. That Sushumna Nadi should be always running is the purpose. Sushumna Nadi runs, then you become a Siddha. That's enlightenment. You get connected with the thymus, Shastahar, and divine. And whatever you think, whatever you say, it will happen. Today, we will touch on bandhas. I hope everybody is practicing Yoga Nidra, because everything needs, you have to do at least 40 days for the body to be customized. Do all this asana, pranayam, breathing techniques, yoga mudra for 40 days at least. Then body will become accustomed to it. Automatically it will happen. Even I told you the science of clapping. If you just clap 100 times, 200 times, 500 times, I do it 500 times. It has to be straight, not like this, like this. And this will part of your acupressure. It will keep you healthy. What I'm sharing is with you is knowledge, which I have been imparted. It's not my knowledge, my experience. I've lived through it, I've gone through it, and my masters have bestowed divine knowledge in me. Somebody asked me many times, Babaji, what will happen when you leave your body? I said, no, nothing will happen. I will go into your child inside your womb. I will decide which mother I have to choose. And I will enter the womb. Or fresh body, some fresh young man's body, or maybe young female's body also. I will enter. And I'll be with body again. Same soul, same knowledge, same Babaji, but in different body. It will take me a little time to tell you all, but you will know once you listen to me. Because I'll be speaking like this. My eyes will have the same kind of force. My mouth will speak the same Saraswati Vandana. Today we'll touch on bandhas. Now we're going little higher. The first bandha is the Moola bandha. Moola bandha is on our anal area. Anal, penile and vagina area. Up to your navel area. Where the Kundalini Shakti, where the Divine Mother in the form of a snake. His head is on the thymus and tail is on the Mooladhara. We're sleeping, so no energy, the power does not come. So how to give life to that energy? So Moola Bandha, what we do is, you contract your anus. Take a deep breath. Unfortunately, I cannot demonstrate this. You will have to do it yourself. And just close your anus. Tighten your anus. And automatically your navel will also be tightened. And hold your breath. And practice few times. Release and then again tighten your anus. अपनी गुदा को संकुचित करिए. And automatically जो आपका नेवल है, आपके दोनों चक्र, मूलाधार चक्र, स्वादिष्ठान चक्र and मणिपुर चक्र, तीनों भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे. This you do couple of times a day, preferably in the morning, preferably when you're alone, preferably maybe in the evening. Empty stomach, at least 10 times. And that Mooladhara chakra will get activated. And the energy will start rising up. In sex, energy goes down. In yoga, bandha, the energy starts going up. Then we do the Jalandhar bandha. Jalandhar bandha is at the stomach level, from navel to heart. What do? You contract your stomach, take your stomach inside and hold your breath. Take a deep breath and hold your breath on your stomach. So that will start charging your, pancreas, your kidneys. Those are the glands. And your heart chakra. Do this for 10 times. Then Uddiyana Bandha. Uddiyana Bandha is above the neck. The Suddha chakra, Agya chakra, and Shasta. This chakras movement will also raise your energy level, productivity level, knowledge level, IQ level, and also Kaya Kalpa. All these processes I'm teaching you, I'm sharing with you, is of Kaya Kalpa ultimately. Because sitting on the Mother Earth, on the houses, you cannot do Kaya Kalpa. You have to have at least you have to go high, 5,000-6,000 feet, maybe 8,000 feet. And go through the process for a year. So like a snake, you will shed the old skin, new snake will come. Like eagle, new teeth, new beak, new wings. Everything new will be formed. But you require, right, cleaner energy, cleaner air, cleaner space, high altitude, purer oxygen, and knowledge. Process. But here, what we can do is what I'm sharing with you. If you do this much, your body age, whatever you're learning in this session, if you do this much, you can increase your body age. Like if Sharanam starts doing it, he can live to 150 years.
Okay, so
100 years in youth, guarantee. Because he can start. Now you are learning, you can teach Sharanam.
Yeah, Swamiji, sure.
If you also do it, you're around maybe around 40, late 30s, 40.
Yeah.
You can live up to 120 years. Important thing is start.
Yeah, Swamiji.
And Mool Bandh, Udyan Bandh will take care of your organs, your face, your eyes. You will not gray. Your eyes will not wear spectacles. Your nose, ENT, no problem. Then your throat, your teeth will have no problem.
Yeah.
Your ears will have no problem. All organs from the neck onwards. You will not have thyroid, those kind of stupid things, stupid diseases.
Yeah.
These are rich man's diseases, diabetic. हाँ, ज्यादा ज्यादा मीठा नहीं खाना है, मीठा जहर है, इट्स पॉइजन. मीठा खाना है तो हैव गुड़. सबसे अच्छा मीठा इज गुड़, मोलासिस खाओ.
Yeah.
बाहर का खाना, होटल का, मिठाई की दुकान खाना, और हैव फ्रूट्स, नेचुरल फ्रूट्स, दे आर ऑल पॉइजन. डायरेक्ट मिठाई इज पॉइजन. हैव, कभी जरूरत पड़ता है तो हैव सिंबॉलिक लड्डू खाते हैं, थोड़ा सा खा लिए, ठीक है, but don't make a habit. Do not have a sweet tooth. So this Udyan Bandh will take care of your upper body. So if you do Ashtanga Yoga with mudras, breathing, deep breathing, 10 breaths. Your target has to be 10 breaths a minute. And Ahara, Vichara, and Vyavara. Along with now bandhas. Today we are sharing basics. If you get confused, maybe you can use YouTube and all. I don't know how much they will have, but something they will have. Otherwise, we can take on the questions whenever, maybe next time. Important thing is people are connected. They must be motivated. Your motivation is my motivation to be here. If you want to get it, you want to do it, I'm there. But if you're not interested, I'm also not interested. Okay. Okay. I mean, teacher is there till the students are there.
Yeah.
The professor cannot teach in an empty class. And I'm a very wise person. Okay. I understand what I see, I understand what I don't see. Okay. So all our groups, we should participate handsomely. Do not miss, because in Corona times this is happening. In non-Corona times, I'll not be there, very frankly.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to catch me. Okay. Because I'll be very busy. Of course, we can train some other people to do this. But this is happening. This is a blessing in disguise. Many things we are learning, family values, love in the family, introvert, detachment, living a more poised life, simple life, dharma, satya, nyaya ke saath hum ji rahe hain. Those are the good values we are getting. And like this Zoom, I mean, hats off to the technologies. People like you, engineers like you, who made such beautiful technologies. From radio to TV and TV to computers, from basic computers, hard frame used to have 10 meters, 20 meters long computers producing salary slip. Okay. I remember. And then, of course, we came to Pentiums and then laptops, iPads, phones, mobiles, and smartphones of high caliber, and so on. And these technologies. You see, hardware is as good as the software, and software is as good as the hardware. People say, Babaji, what is Tantra? It's a very misunderstood subject. What is Tantra? I'll explain simply. Now, this mobile is a yantra. And there's a machine. Scientists, engineers have made a machine called mobile. Now it's a yantra. Yantra is a machine. Now you put a SIM card and which has a signal, and you put money, and that signal is a mantra. Mantra means whatever you do, it will respond. And when you get connected, whether visually or telephonically, audio, video, like Zoom, this is Tantra. Tantra is a net product of an effort. Tantra is actualization of this mobile, of this technology. So that we can apply for everything in our life. Shall we keep the Rumi Roy is there? Thank you, Rumi. Any questions so far? It's easier for me to respond on different subjects if there's some questions. Otherwise, this knowledge is endless. If there are any questions, any doubt, not only on Kaya Kalpa, anything in life, we can take it on. We'll try to negotiate those issues, neutralize those issues. I'm waiting.
Swami, I have a question. Sometimes we get a lot of irritation, angerness. How to control the angerness and irritations?
Oh, wonderful. Very nice question.
Yeah.
I mean, this question is applicable to most of us.
Right. Because
we work under a lot of, we work under a lot of stress.
Yeah.
Stress to, do well in life. Stress, I mean, places like Hyderabad, Bangalore, even traveling has become a stress now.
Yeah.
Stress at home, stress at office, stress at people. People don't have patience. People don't have tolerance. People don't have basic courtesy, manners. धक्का मार के चले जाते हैं. Misbehave everywhere. Everybody is going through this process. Short temper. And the answer to your question is just concentrate on your breathing.
Yeah.
You look at your breathing, and all your tension, all your stress, all your anger will vanish. It's so simple.
Yeah.
Just look at it.
Yeah. Simple.
If you can, just close your eyes. Otherwise, open eyes also. You just be an observer to your breath. Give that few seconds.
Yeah, Swamiji.
And you'll be calm, you'll be balanced.
Okay.
Because any anger or any passion,
Okay.
it gives a lower productivity.
Yeah, Swamiji, right.
Rumi is asking, what is the best way to keep your parents happy? Oh, very beautiful question. I like it.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा प्रश्न है आपका.
Yeah, Rooney, switch on your video. We have never seen you. Like you are.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Everybody, सबके दर्शन करा दिया करो.
At least once. Because a lot of rains in Hyderabad, Swamiji. Internet, lot of issues.
Okay.
Maybe that's the reason. Maybe people are.
Repeat your last transmission.
No, lot of rains here actually from past couple of days.
Acha, rains. Oh, rains also signal problems there.
Yeah.
Rumi is driving.
Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine.
The question was how to make your parents happy. See, we have in our Shastras, Pratham Guru is our parents. Mother to be the first one and father is the second one. Matra Pritran. And this Matra Pritran, you cannot ever give because they are the source of your life. Then after Matra Pritran, we have Guru Ran, Acharya Ran, people who educate us, who teach us. And then after Acharya, you have Devaren. Our Guru, enlightened masters, our Devtas, Prithvi, Jal, Vayu, Agni, Akash, nature. And we all owe this. Otherwise, we would not be facing this devastation of the Mother Earth. Because if that happens, Mother Earth will destroy the humanity. So the rin of parents is supreme. And how do we make our parents happy? Let's reverse it. How your parents made you happy when you were a child, when you were growing, you were small, school, college, university, or even later, maybe even now. How they made you happy? They looked after you. They looked after your needs. You know, a father will give a best clothing to his son or to his daughter, and mother probably to daughter. And he himself may be wearing a torn shirt or torn undergarments inside. And you see your parents, using the same clothes for 10 years, 20 years. But children get a new clothes, new toys, new books every day, every year. So become a parent of your childlike parent. मातृ प्रेम हम कैसे दे सकते हैं? जब हम खुद माता पिता बन जाते हैं. The love that you shower to your children, similar love you need to shower to your parents. Become parents of your childlike parents now, because as the parents grow old, they become childlike. Take care of them the way they took care of you, and they will never be unhappy, let me tell you. I hope that satisfies your question. It's so simple. Actually, life questions are always very simple. We have to just look inwards. Any other question? Yeah, you can ask questions of anything in life, except pornography, like in the Kundra and that Bollywood girl,
Shilpa Shetty.
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 I mean, imagine what kind of ethics, what kind of values these people carry.
Yeah.
This film industry has become nothing but a glorified brothel.
Right.
The lesser says the more.
Yeah.
And
Sure.
one case. What kind of, and people follow them. People follow.
Millions.
They're
Millions
called
of-
celebrities. They're called
Right.
stars. And this is the conduct of stars.
We should not follow them, Guruji. Like
No, we
Swamiji.
don't.
We should not
We have
follow
to
them.
teach we have to teach our children, follow
Not
the learned ones.
Right.
That's why I always say books are the best friends.
Right.
You must inculcate the art of teaching or reading to your children. Nowadays we don't read. Everything we want to, Google it on WikiLeaks, something like that we use.
Yeah.
We have stopped reading books, hard copies. We want to read e-books, digital books. No,
No.
you have to read hard books.
Right.
Always, every month you must buy a book. All of us, you buy a
Right.
good book, values, and for yourself, also for your children.
Right.
And Swamiji, I mean, I remember reading about 5,000 books. I mean, till 92.
Okay, Swamiji.
After that, I stopped counting. Okay. Must have read few more. What I mean is, it looks, 5,000 books. So much? Or somebody says, so less? But 5,000 books is a library by itself. If you put 5,000 books in a place, it's a library.
Yeah.
Many libraries don't have 5,000 books.
Right, Swamiji.
And very learned people may have read about, 100 books, 200 books, 500 books in their life.
Yeah.
And nowadays, the fashion, when you talk to them on the TV debates, they'll put a shelf behind and put some nice 100 new books behind you, giving the impression they're very learned people and they have never opened those books.
Yeah.
They're fresh,
That's
bought from
right.
English bookstore, put it there. Yeah. No, read them. Read them, imbibe them, understand them, and put them in life. Because book is a experience of a person or institution of life.
Yeah.
Like I may suggest, people should read Osho. People can read Nietzsche. People can read Bertrand Russell. Bertrand Russell, you can read, higher level Plato or Aristotle. Bertrand Russell wrote books like Marriage and Morals. Bertrand Russell wrote Why I'm Not a Christian. Bertrand Russell wrote a book called The Science of Happiness. Brilliant treatise. They're great authors. In a modern era, people can read something like Atlas Shrugged. Don't read only Erwin Wallace and Arthur Haley and so on. You can read our own Vedic texts. Actually, everybody should read our Vedic text. Gorakhnath Press, and they give you a Ved for 200 rupees.
Yeah, it's very nice.
200 rupees. Even the paper value will not more than that. Okay.
Yeah,
Gorakhnath Press.
I think
You
it's
can read Ved, Puranas. Now they're available in Hindi and English also. Read Gita, Ashtavakra Gita. Read our Upanishads, Shastras, Sahitas. There's so much richness in them. So people, give your child a book every month, as per his capacity to read. Panchatantra. For a younger child, you will have so much of many books or comics which are Panchatantra.
yeah.
Telgi. Give them a book instead of a toy or a sweet dish. Every birthday, at least give them a couple of books and keep them away from computers and laptops and
Mobile phones. Yeah.
TV also. Watch for an hour and two, that's all. Although it affects their health.
Yeah,
It affects your
Swamiji.
mind also. It affects
Right.
your mind.
Yeah. I removed the
Mind
TV
becomes.
from my home.
Go ahead.
No, I have uninstalled my TV from my home.
Oh, very good.
It's been a year. It's been years and years. I don't have TV now. I will give a couple of songs in the morning to my son, like 2 songs or 3 songs, limited songs, and some in the evening. That's it.
Wonderful.
Because
You can watch whatever you want on laptop and other.
Yeah, I can watch, but I also sometimes he used to addict some time back, so I stopped him.
No.
We stopped him. All
Good.
that.
It's good to do it now.
Yeah.
And put on some music. Let them learn some instrument.
Yeah,
vocal music, instrument music. Okay.
Yes.
Or dance.
Karate.
South has so much of rich music culture in South. We have so much richness.
But due to Corona, we don't have much music schools also.
Do it at home.
Yeah.
You can watch on a YouTube or something and learn from there. Okay?
Yeah.
You can make a beginning.
But yeah, Swamiji.
I think today's session we can have a small session.
Yeah, Swamiji.
And if any other question is there, and we'll take it on. And please take a response from the people. Okay, do they want us to continue these sessions or they want to discontinue?
Okay, Swamiji, I will
Because
tell
I
you.
want people should join. Okay,
Yeah,
people should join large numbers.
right.
And next session, we will touch on a higher level of Kaya Kalpa now. Okay, the science
Okay.
of.
We'll give some gap, otherwise Swamiji will give
Yeah.
10 days gap, 10 days gap. Maybe next to next week we'll start session.
Maybe yeah, give a gap this week. Okay,
Yeah, sure.
we can have maybe once in a fortnight. Okay,
Yeah, once in a fortnight, that is good.
let us see if the response is better. We can again make it weekly.
Yeah,
Let us have once in a fortnight,
yeah,
and you can also request them. We can have a question answer session.
right,
Many people want to have answers of their life, but they because of many reasons they don't want to ask.
right. Yeah, that's absolutely correct.
They can ask or they can write to us. You can do the chat,
Yeah,
and we will try to answer their basic questions in life
okay.
wherever they are stuck.
Yeah,
To have this session after 2 weeks now. Okay.
yeah,
Next month, and also to invite people for questions.
sure,
What
Swamiji.
areas they would like to be covered?
Right,
Because Kaya Kalp next after 2 weeks we'll go at a higher level of it.
okay,
Higher level what needs to be done. But that is only possible if people are following whatever we have covered.
right, Swamiji.
I mean, you can't make a muscle, in a day.
It will take time. It will take time.
I mean, it will take a couple of weeks, a month, okay,
Right,
maybe more. So this divine knowledge, yogic knowledge, it also takes time,
yeah,
and one has to sacrifice life. In a sense, you have to sacrifice, basic attractions, unnecessary attractions of life, like TV.
right,
If you remove TV, I mean, you have many more hours productive life available to you.
right, because
Otherwise, watching TV for hours.
yeah,
doing
in
nothing.
in one of the last interviews, one of the guys selected from Telangana to the civil services, he's from village background. He told, I don't have a smartphone, I don't have TV. That's the reason he was able to spend more time
On book, preparation of the books.
books and valuable time. If you have TV and all these things, we'll spend more on YouTube and chatting. Unnecessary, we will.
And body fatigue.
Yeah, body
People
fit,
think
because
you will have such a fatigue watching TV or mobile phones or laptops and so on.
yeah, if you use
And
for more time,
mind
you get
fatigue.
headache, migraines,
Mind.
Okay,
For headaches, have it. Share. Okay, I'll share something. You
Okay.
can do. People have a lot of migraines. People are working on the computers, especially
Right,
IT
Yeah.
specialists. They have migraines, headaches. To do the Brahmani pranayam.
Okay,
Okay, I'll teach you, guys, what is the Brahmani pranayam.
okay,
Brahmani pranayam is you sit straight,
okay,
do it for this pranayam for 10 times, and your headache and if you do it regularly, migraine
Okay.
will go away.
okay,
What you need to do is put both the thumbs inside the ear. I'll give a demonstration.
yeah,
And or you can just put your thumb inside with a closed fist, which is easier,
okay,
and take a deep breath and do Om the way I'm going to say it. And when you do the Om, press the thumb inside the ears, creating a vacuum.
okay,
Om.
Om, Om, Om.
Will you do it with a vacuum?
Yeah, I did. And
Just master this. This is called Brahmani pranayam.
yeah,
When you put your thumb inside, you do the Om. Om has to be done 3 stages: full mouth, half mouth and closed mouth.
Okay.
Oh. When you do the mo with closed mouth, then the vibration will be more. There's the time, create a vacuum.
Okay.
And that vibration will travel on your heart, on your thymus. And that will
Okay.
remove your headaches and your migraine.
Okay.
People having a migraine, do it 20 times a day. Within
Okay.
40 days, migraine will be gone.
Okay.
People have a headache, just do it 10 times, your headache will be eased.
Okay.
This is Brahmani Pranayam. People can learn it because, especially in the south, because IT industries in south, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and so on, people have suffering because one is a migraine headache, other is eye. The eyesight is becoming bad. Roni Rai, thank you, Roni Rai. Brahmani Pranayam, excellent for migraine and headache. And also, people having eye problem do Tatak. Rising sun and setting sun. When the color of the sun is orange, like Babaji's clothes. Do Tatak. Look at the sun, rising sun or setting sun, and then close your eyes like this. Do it every day for 5 minutes. You will never, your eyesight will remain 5. All the Vibjor, all the Indradhanush will travel inside your eyes. Look, hug the trees, Look at the greeneries and take a lot of greens, green vegetables. And of course, sleep early, get up early. That's important. Watch minimum. Thank you, Roni. Roni is very participative. The more you eat, the earlier you die. The more you watch electronic gadgets, more TV, the earlier you get sick. And it affects your relationships also. Because you will have stress, you will fight at home, you'll fight at office, you'll fight everywhere.
Yeah.
Tolerance level goes bad. Next session after 2 weeks when we take, today is 24th, 31st, and 6th of August, right?
Yeah. Yeah, Swamiji.
We will touch the deathlessness, the art of deathlessness, how not to die.
Yeah.
But I'll request everybody
Yeah.
to go through these last 4 sessions.
Yeah. I'll combine all these sessions and send it to.
Yes.
Again.
Combine all those, send to everyone.
Yeah, send it. I'll send it today.
People are lazy. People are so busy. People are so busy in doing nothing.
Right.
The priorities are all upside down. I understand. I've lived the life of a person on the Mother Earth, so I know.
Right.
So they have to be motivated.
Right.
And I've given a very simple method of money. You take care of Mahalakshmi in the manner we described last week.
Yeah.
You'll have wealth.
Right.
There will be short of fund. To circulate this, we'll have a session on 6th of August, and we'll touch on 2 areas. Now, how does Kayakalp takes place? And how does enlightenment takes place? And what happens if one gets enlightened? And the science of deathlessness, timelessness, spacelessness, and deathlessness.
Okay.
Now, this is a higher level of consciousness. So people who are following what we have done in the last 4 weeks, they will be able to observe faster. Okay?
Okay, Swamiji.
So today we can end this session today early.
Yeah, Swamiji.
Okay. And once again, wishing all the beautiful souls of the Mother Earth a very happy and blessed Guru Purnima.
Yeah, thank you, Swamiji.
Om Mangalam Bhagwan Vishnu.
Thank you,
Mangalam
Swamiji.
Guru Dhaj. Mangalam Puniri
Thank you, Guruji.
Sarv Mangal Mangalai Shivaya Sarvat Sadhake.
Yeah.
Sharnatam Gauri. Narayan.
Kusuma
Thank you,
Kumar
Roni.
Reddy garu. Kusuma Kumar Reddy, you are asking something? बोलिए स्वामी जी को बोलिए कुसुम कुमार रेड्डी गारू.
बोलिए I am there.
सर गुरु पूर्णिमा శుభాకాంక్షలు సార్.
Thank you, same to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
हिंदी में बोलिए कुसुम कुमार रेड्डी गारू हिंदी में बोलिए. थैंक स्वामी जी.
Hindi mein English. I've understood. He has given wishes
Hindi
for
में
the
बोलिए.
Guru
Actually,
Purnima.
आज गुरु पूर्णिमा है साहब. आप सबको शुभाकांक्षలు है सर. तेलुगु स्टेट
कुछ
से.
नहीं, आपका जीवन सब प्रकाशित हो, सबका जीवन प्रकाशित.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
May you all be illuminated.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you to you all. Thank you, Shirda. God
Yeah,
bless.
स्वामी जी, can I call you immediately or sometime? I have some.
Yeah, no, yes, you can call me.
I'll call you next 2 minutes after ending this call.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank you.
all. Thank you for joining for all. We'll
My
meet
love to everyone.
after 2 weeks.
Thank you.